Hi there, I'd like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the Sage Carryall. The color here is black. It does come with a patent cross grain leather, which is really nice. It's kind of scratch resistant here. And with this bag, you can see it comes with the gold color hardware. It has a gold color Coach logo on the front with a leather hand tag on one side. And on each side has like this crease, really nice design on each side. This is the back and this is the other side, like I mentioned on the other side. And at the bottom it does come with 4 feet to protect the back. And I actually keep the strap on the inside, so let's take a look on the strap first. With all the new design bags, it does come with a leather and a chain, as you could see here. You could strap on both sides. Let's do it this way. And then it has this adjustable straps here. And then I will put on the other side. And on the inside of this bag, it has with a magnetic clips on both sides. So it has 3 different compartments. On the first side, this is one big compartment. And the other side was this big compartment with a slip pocket. And in the middle here, as you can see, I'm just going to take off the paper. There's this one big area here. So it's really nice with the linen lining. It's really nice because you could, have a zipper on the middle and then 2 magnetic clips on the side. And for this one, let me put this compared to the water bottle. So if you're looking for something that is big, well, medium size, this is definitely one of those bag. The dimension of this bag is about 12.5 inches in length. It's about 8.5 inches in height and about 5 inches in width. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.